We'll guide you through how to find Facebook QR code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Facebook QR codes are really convenient. Perhaps you want to go and scan somebody else's, or you want to go and find yours. The great thing about the QR code is you can get straight to a profile, whether it's giving yours to somebody else or you want to go and scan somebody else's. Because on Facebook, there can be a lot of people with the same name. For example, John Smith, there are loads and loads of accounts on there with that same name. So therefore, we can go and get a QR code to go make it much easier to go and find the right one or scan somebody else's. So which is full videos so you know what you need to do. So to get started, you want to come onto the homepage of Facebook, as we already are here. And then from here, you need to head to the top right. There you're going to see the magnifying glass, which looks like a search icon. You want to go and tap on it. Now at the top, you can actually go and search for QR code. So go and type it in, make sure you type in the full thing, otherwise it may not go and pop up. Then you can go and press search. And at the top, it'll go and say QR code. Scan QR codes and share your personal code with others. So we can then go and tap that at the top. So you can go and allow access by pressing allow. And if you've got somebody else's code, you can then go and scan it, as you can see. Now, if they sent you a screenshot of it, you may be thinking, how can I use it? Well, what you can do is go and import it from library. So press that there and you can then choose it from your library and go and import it. If you want to go and get your QR code, all you need to do is go to the top here and go to the right and you'll find the option for QR code. As you can see, there it is. Add friends easily by sharing your QR code, and this is personal to you. So what you can do is go and put it on your profile by pressing share on profile, and then others can easily go and find it. Alternatively, what you can do is go and press save to phone, and now it's been saved to our photos. And so what I can do is go and start sending it to people, and they can go and scan it and get taken straight to my profile. I think this is really convenient, and it's one of my favorite ways of being able to go and add friends, because often people are saying, how can I add you on Facebook? And there are loads of you with the same name. So having a QR code is a quick and easy way of being able to get people to go and add you. So go and send that to people, and that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides like this on the channel and loads more to come, covering Facebook, Instagram, many other social medias, also operating systems and everything in between, like games as well. So I hope you found this useful and look forward to help you again in the future with another tech how-to. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.